Yeah, good morning, y'all. Just received a new package, and I thought I'd do an unboxing on this one this morning. I'm actually not sure what this one is. I had quite a few come in this pre-holiday season. So, this is early. This is a product from a company called InkBox. These are what they call semi-permanent tattoos. Let's see. Nice packaging. You are art. And I just ordered a couple. This is one that's going to go on the forearm. And this is just a little simple one that's going to go on a finger. And the reason I ordered these was an experiment. I am in the final stages of making a decision on a tattoo. And I thought I'd give these a try. For no other reason than I have some friends who are also in the same place, and I've been told this is a pretty good product to get an idea what they'll look like on you. These guys also do customs. These two particulars are from their gallery bank, but you can do custom. So if you have a tattoo that you want to get done and you're still not sure, they can make it for you. And you can put it on and see if you like it. So what these are, it's more like a Mendy. This is a semi-permanent ink-based product. So you apply it, you leave it on, it seeps into the skin, and then becomes semi-permanent. There's no sticker, there's nothing left behind to get in the way or fall off, and they wear off naturally after a couple of weeks. But it gives you an idea of what you think, what you like, and how they will look at the end. So I completely forgot this was coming. So of course the follow-up video for this is going to be either during the application or directly after, and then I can give my opinions on how they look, how difficult or easy they were to apply, and how well they last. And I'd like your comments and opinions on that as well, how they look after I put them on. So yeah, thanks for this quick little unboxing today. For now. Also cruelty-free, so no testing on animals with this product, which I know is tops on a lot of people's lists. And that's about it. So like, dislike, comment, let me know what you think, and I will follow this up after the application. Have a great day.